In the meantime, joining me now to discuss the market, Chris Versace. Chris, a long time, buddy. What do you make of the market rally and the state of the economy right now?
You know, Charles, first off, it's great to be back. But, you know, when I look at the economy, we had a good number today in April new home sales, no doubt about it. But, you know, that's one data point in that particular stream. And if we look at a bunch of other data that's out there, everything from the Empire Manufacturing Index, the Philly Fed Index, even last week's industrial production reading for April, you know, below the headline, manufacturing not robust. So I think by and large, Charles, it continues to be a very muddled economy, some strength and in weakness in other areas, to be honest.
So Chris, essentially, though, what we're talking about, I think, may be the same thing, because I'm seeing pockets of consumer strength in certain areas, particularly in home ownership, home building, whether it's, you know, earnings reports from Target and Home Goods, people just buying tchotchkes for the house, or these home sales. And what you're talking about is the business. Business is reluctant to spend money, to invest money. I know a lot of it's gone into buying back their own stock, but can we blame a certain degree of that on intimidation by this administration? I mean, if you're a business, do you really open a new plant with all these regulations and fees?
No, absolutely you don't. Not to mention, Charles, that let's be honest. We've got the Brexit vote coming. We've got some renewed issues down in South America. We've got, of course, the presidential election. So there's a lot of uncertainty in the back half of the year. Don't forget, too, Charles, that, you know, earnings expectations are up about 13% in the second half of the year. Very aggressive, given what we're seeing for the tone of the overall economy. So I kind of sit there and I go, I think businesses are going to be careful. They're going to be prudent. You know, and they're going to take their time to spend. But to your point, though, about the consumer, you know, I think you're spot on, Charles. And there's another aspect to it that we're seeing booming, and we're seeing this in Disney, Comcast with their NBC Universal theme parks, Cedar Fair, ticker symbol FUN. Consumers are spending on this experience economy. Absolutely.
Yeah, absolutely. I think it's is it FOMO? No, fear of missing out, living in the moment, you only live once,
right.
All of those new Drake acronyms, if you will. Chris, thanks a lot, buddy. We'll see you again real soon.